Epoxy Coffee Table DIY. 5-minute script intro 0 o'clock to 0:20. Welcome back, makers. In today's video, we're creating a stunning epoxy resin coffee table step by step. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video so you never miss out on more amazing epoxy and wood projects. Step 1. Preparing the wood 0:20 to 1 o'clock. First, choose a live edge or kiln-dried hardwood slab. Flatten and clean it, then remove any loose bark or dust. This ensures the epoxy bonds well and gives your table a smooth finish. Step 2. Building the mold 1 o'clock to 1:40. Next, build a sealed mold or frame that's slightly larger than your slab. Make sure it's level so the resin cures evenly. Tape the underside of the wood to prevent leaks and secure the slab inside the mold. Step 3. Seal coat and mixing resin 142-220. Apply a thin epoxy seal coat on the wood to prevent air bubbles. Then, carefully measure and mix your resin and hardener following the manufacturer's ratios. You can add pigments, mica, or dyes at this stage to give your table a unique look. Step 4. Pouring the epoxy to 20 to 3 o'clock. Start with a thin leveling pour, then use a torch or heat gun to pop surface bubbles. Once that sets, continue pouring in layers until you reach the desired depth. If you're enjoying this build so far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Step 5. Curing and demolding 3 o'clock to 3:40. Allow the resin to cure fully, then carefully demold the slab. Trim away any excess and get ready for sanding. Step 6. Sanding and polishing 340 to 420. Sand the surface progressively from 120 grit up to 1000 plus for a smooth finish. Wet sand and polish until the epoxy shines like glass. Round and smooth the edges for a professional touch. Step 7. Finishing and assembly for 40. Attach sturdy metal or wooden legs to the slab, then finish the exposed wood with oil or wax to bring out the grain and protect the surface. Outrow for 40 to 5 o'clock, and that's it. Your DIY epoxy resin coffee table is ready to impress. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this build, please subscribe, like, and share this video to inspire more makers. See you in the next project.